Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW guys 3 Series generation E90 E91 92 93 that should cover years 2005 to year 2013 guys. And many of you don't know, but when you work on your 3 Series BMW guys and you need to disconnect your car battery, you're doing some electrical work, replacing components guys, you always have to disconnect your car battery. It's super important which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first guys. Otherwise you can cause damage to your electrical system, engine, computers, modules, you can burn fuses guys, and believe me, we've done that in the past. It cost us about $2,000 to fix it, so don't do it guys. Okay, make sure you connect and disconnect it the correct way. There is always a chance for something bad to happen, okay, because it's part of the electrical system, so you can discharge it, but guys, it minimizes, okay, the opportunity for something expensive to occur while working on your vehicle. So we'll demonstrate that here today. We're demonstrating on a 3 Series BMW 325i, but doesn't matter guys what it is. If it's a wagon, convertible, sedan, procedure is about the same. You need to locate your battery. In most cases it says it will be in the trunk of the vehicle. Now this is a station wagon, so it's on the right side, but even if you have non-station wagon, it still will be right there. This is the battery now guys. Now this is the negative terminal, this is the positive terminal. When you disconnect the positive, be careful not to pull on wires because, okay, they're part of the airbag system and you don't want to mess things up. So what we need to do, disconnect the negative terminal first guys. You always disconnect the negative terminal first. That's just rule number one guys. Okay, perfect. Now put something underneath it, okay, so it cannot contact guys. And the second terminal that you disconnect, it's the positive terminal right there. This is the positive terminal now. Okay guys, and again make sure you put something so it doesn't contact. This is guys most important thing, disconnect negative then positive. What about reconnecting it guys? Exactly in reverse order that we did it. Reconnecting, you need to reconnect the positive terminal first. This is step number one guys. Okay, positive terminal, make sure that you align everything, get it tight, and then second one guys, you will actually connect the negative terminal and you will see some sparks, lights will be activated, so that's normal. You will hear the fuel pump buzzing, it's building pressure, that's normal as well. You'll say bzz. That's completely normal guys as well. So we're reconnecting this one as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure something like that out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.